How to delete or deactivate Instagram Threads account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Threads app and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the two bars at the top right corner and click on account. So you'll see this deactivate profile option and then click on deactivate Threads profile. So your profile, threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. Go ahead and click on this. And it will ask you to confirm. Click on deactivate and your account will be deactivated. So until you logged back in, it will be like you have deleted your account as no one will be able to see your profile. And you can open your Instagram and then click on your profile icon and you'll see your Threads number right here. So click on that and you'll see hide badge. So click on hide badge if you're completely sure that you won't be joining Threads again and you don't want your followers to be taken to your Threads profile. So this is how to delete or deactivate Instagram Threads account. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.